Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request to do a video about CURIS. I heard about this one, just kind of stayed away from it for whatever reason. Maybe I didn't look at it and see what it was all about. I find it kind of interesting now that I look at it. Some of these pharmaceutical ones I tend to stay away from. They're just kind of up and down, but I thought I'd give it a shot. So the more I researched it, the more I see people talking about it. So there must be something going on with it. But you can see it's up over 700% in the past year. It was pretty much a penny stock. I suppose there's some that's still considered a penny stock. But right about here, the 1st of December, it just started taking off. So that's quite a jump there from $1.44 to $6.55 just a day later. It looks like it hit there over the weekend, but something's going on with this one. So if you don't know what this one is, it's the engages in the development and commercialization of drug candidates for the treatment and human cancers. And if you follow my channel, you know I'm kind of into everything. I was going to say drugs, but that sounds bad. But I do cover MJ quite a bit. But drug companies, pharmaceuticals, my favorite is Pfizer. If you follow me, I've covered that numerous times in regards to the CV, the Rhinoceros Rex. But anyway, back to CURIS for the treatment of human cancers. Which I have a soft spot. My mom passed away from cancer. My aunt about 2 years ago. My mom about 3 years ago. Cancer, I mean, hits everybody. So if you have a family the size of 4 or 5 or more people, probably one or more of those people are going to have or have already had cancer at some point in time. So once I found out this was about cancer, I kind of looked at it a little bit and I was like, oh sure, I'll do a video about it now. And so everybody would like to get the cure for cancer. So so back to the CURIS. This is founded in 2000, kind of a small market cap, not even $1 billion yet, so, and not a whole lot of volume either. So probably another reason why I hadn't looked at this one too close. They got earnings coming up here on March 18th, and I do not have any of this one. I don't know. I'll have to watch it. Maybe if it took a dip, I might get some in this range. I would have loved to have had some here in this range, but I didn't even hear about it up until probably 2-3 weeks ago, and have been having too much fun with penny stocks if you follow my channel. So CURIS doses first patient in phase 1 study of in a combination of ibrutinib in patients with relapsed or refractory hematologic malignancies. Amends extending protocol of ongoing phase 1 study. Initial data expected in 4th quarter of 2021. So again, it's a biotechnology company, focuses on the development of innovative therapeutics for the treatment of cancer. Today announced the first patient has been dosed in its phase 1 trial evaluating a novel small molecule kinase inhibitor in combination with ibrutinib in patients with relapsed or refractory hematologic malignancies. This one's kind of a tongue twister. It's about too late to be making a video on this complicated, but it's interesting. So so it's just kind of going over the phase 1 study. I found some other information. They had, were working on a phase 2, but back to the BTK inhibitors are an approved category of therapies for patients with various lymphatic cancers, yet they only target one or two main pathways activating. Cell malignancies targets the other main activating pathway by shutting down signaling through the mitosome. We have shown highly encouraging increased tumor reducing activity when combining both covalent and non-covalent BTK inhibitors with the preclinical models. Feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. I just wanted to do a quick video on this one. And again, it's just talking about their phase 1 combination study. If you want to look this one up yourself, it's on Yahoo Finance, and just plug in the title and it should come up. This is their actual website. We are working relentlessly to develop innovative and differentiated therapeutics that improve the lives of cancer patients. And I think there's a lot of drug companies out there in the process of doing that. Everybody would like to make their lives a little bit easier. And here's some press releases. This is kind of what we just went over on the second investigation about the phase 2. And January 14th to present Securities Virtual Oncology Investor Conference. Here's just some focused development and commercialization of innovative therapeutics for the treatment of cancer. So very interesting stuff. You about need to have a degree to go over some of this. There's a little bit of talk on Reddit here about it. I've had better luck with StockTwits tonight, finding more information than what Reddit had. Just talks about the volume 44 minutes ago. So still kind of, that's pretty sweet. I've been, well, I don't really watch it anymore, but I started watching wrestling, probably back in like 82, Ric Flair, woo! Ric Flair's probably still one of my favorites, even though he's doesn't wrestle or shouldn't be in the ring, but I still find fun watching it. I just don't watch it like I used to, but lots of people here talking about CURIS, but kind of an interesting one, and they're showing it a strong buy. I don't know if that's just for the hype going on right now, the high of 16, low of 10. I mean, as you can see, there is a lot of hype here just in the last year to, well, we could say 3 months on it. It's been kind of up and down in the last month, but the last 3 months, there's been a tremendous run-up, so over 865%. So, I don't know. I'll watch this one. I'm not going to touch it probably anytime soon. If I heard some more information on it, some more good catalyst, I might try some and get in for the run-up. And if you have any of this one and got into it at 62 cents, that'd be interesting to know. Or even $1. I mean, that would be awesome. That'd be a pretty good run-up. Or even $2. So if you could leave that in the comments. And if you have any further information about this one or what you think about CURIS in general, that'd be awesome to know. And if you want me to do any other videos on anything else you're thinking of, that would be good as well. I've had a couple requests here lately and always try to fulfill those. So that's about it for CURIS. If you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me and subscribe. I hit my goal. I was shooting for 400 tonight. I'm still going for 500 by the end of the month, so if you haven't subscribed, if you could please do that for me. Only about 10% or 15% of the people that watch the videos are subscribing, that would really help me out. I'm trying to take my channel to the next level here, so but again, I thank you for all the support, the comments, the likes, and I thank you for as far as the channel has come. Yes, we are 2 months old today and hit 400 subscribers, so doing pretty good. So again, this is J Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.